Everyone wants to stay lean year-round, but most guys can't even get lean or lose it as soon as they do. They try to cut, push hard, then either burn out or rebound. But the truth is, staying lean year-round is actually simple if you follow the right process. Now, without any bullshit, how do you actually get lean in the first place? Leanness isn't about cutting carbs, avoiding sugar, or some crazy diet. It's about energy balance, calories in versus calories out. That's it. Your goal is simple. Eat just below your maintenance calories, a small sustainable deficit to lose fat slowly whilst preserving as much muscle as possible. Plug your stats into a free calorie calculator, which I'll leave in the description, and it'll estimate your maintenance and roughly how many calories you need to lose fat. Then aim to lose about 0.5 to 1% of your body weight per week. Fast enough to see progress, but slow enough to avoid burnout and starvation. And here's the critical part most guys miss: protein. Eat roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight. This protects your muscles whilst in a deficit, making sure that the weight you lose is actually fat and not muscle. Combine this with consistent lifting and your body will reshape and get leaner instead of just shrinking. For most guys, a lean and defined physique starts to show at around 14% body fat. That's the point where all your hard work actually starts to pay off. Keep eating in your deficit until you're satisfied with your leanness. That's your target. Great. Now that you're lean, the real question is, how do you sustain it year-round without obsessing over every meal or living in the gym? Most guys either blow it immediately or get stuck overthinking every bite. So here's how to avoid both. Once you've finished your cut and lost fat, your body now has a new, lower maintenance. Your goal isn't perfection. It is simply sustaining that maintenance over time. You don't need to hit calories exactly every day. Small fluctuations are completely normal. The key is awareness, not obsession. You see, after a cut, it can be tricky to know exactly how many calories keep you at your new lean baseline. And a simple trick that helped me personally is tracking for a week or two after the cut. Log roughly what you eat, calculate your new maintenance, and learn what your body actually needs. Awareness alone isn't enough though. Knowing your number doesn't solve hunger or habit issues. And that's why after a deficit, your appetite might still feel higher than normal. This is where whole, unprocessed foods becomes your best tool. Eating real single ingredient food fills your stomach with fewer calories, keeps you satisfied, and helps prevent overeating and obsessing over snacks. Additionally, obsession often comes from having no plan, random meals, and guessing calories, and constantly switching strategies. Your brain ends up thinking about food all day, which drives stress and burnout. Structure solves this. Stick to a rough calorie range you know work. Repeat meals that keeps you satisfied, and keep your training consistent. You don't need to track forever. Use it as a tool. Learn your limits, then simplify. Awareness, satiety, and structure becomes effortless leanness. Finally, don't chase extreme shredded levels. A lean defined physique at around 12 to 14 body fat is far easier to maintain and looks great year-round. And here's the ultimate cheat code. Never let yourself drift too far from lean. Stay within 2 to 5 pounds of your lean baseline. Ignoring small fat gains now will force a brutal cut later. So minor tweaks early make staying lean effortless. So in conclusion, getting and staying lean year-round isn't about suffering or obsession. It's about playing the long game the right way. Hit a slight deficit to get lean without burning out. Eat enough protein and lift consistently to keep your muscles while cutting. Use structure, not perfection, to stay consistent without thinking about food all day. And finally, stay close to your lean baseline. Small adjustments early prevent brutal diets later. Follow this system and staying lean becomes effortless, not a phase. If you don't want to miss any no bullshit guides on building an aesthetic physique, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.